Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today it is a pretty nice day. The sun is shining, everything's fine, and we have here a really nice car. It is an Subaru Impreza Spec C with left-hand conversation. This car is imported in 2004 and it's a pretty nice car. It looks good and conditions are fine, but it is here because it has an engine problem. It needs a lot of oil and it didn't run so smoothly. OMP seats, and have here a small gauge. Looks good. Here's special how it called in English, I don't know. In Germany we say Beflockung. It is a little bit confusing. You see here the Hawkeye front, but it isn't an Hawkeye. It is a car from 2004. I think he had a front damage, a small one, and got a new face, and they put a Hawkeye face on it. Hello, come with me. Yeah, you see the engine is running so smoothly. I think only on 3 cylinders or 3.5, and oil pressure looks good. I think there's a problem with the piston ring failure or maybe with the wave, something like this. Sounds pretty bad. Okay, you're seeing? Now we put the engine out, deassembled everything, and then we can see what the problem is and what we can do and how we can help the customer. See you in 1 minute. Ciao. First we lift up the car, and what we see here on the left side, here's a lot of oil who come out of the exhaust. Hey, good morning everyone. Yesterday we put the engine out of the car, and just we put the oil pan down, and what we see here, oh, that looks like a piston ring spring. Wait, oh, that isn't good. And now we disassembled this engine fully, and then you have later some news. Can you spin the engine? Stop. Okay. Okay, yeah. There you can see some pieces in the oil pickup. That isn't good. Here we see the standard problem. Too much silicone gasket. And that's always bad. Okay, we disassembled this engine now, and later you become some more news. Wow, that was more than 200 Newton meters. Okay, here you can see that what I mean with the wrong adjustment of the timing belt guys. Here, rubbing here, and that's bad. But the bigger mistake is that the timing belt timing is wrong. Here you see it is correct. Here and here. And here it is maybe 1 or 2 teeth wrong. Oil, trocken. Was ist das denn? Oh. Hallo? Das ist Öl. Das ist ja nicht das Interessante, sondern das Interessante sind die Kolben. The rod bearings feel fine. I think there's no problem. Fest. Oh, it stucks a little bit. Ja, mal weiter. Oh yeah. There we have the failure. On cylinder 2. Yeah, there it is. We have disassembled the full engine, and the biggest failure was here on cylinder 2, piston ring failure. Yeah, that's bad. But the question is why we had this piston ring failure, and I think it was because the wrong timing belt timing. Yeah, okay. The crankshaft looks good. Small scratches here, but that we can polish. Crankshaft looks fine. The rod bearings, they look like new. Look, here. They look perfect, and I think when the timing belt weren't wrong, then the engine will run for a lot of kilometers, more than now. Okay, here we have a little bit scratches, but that's fine, that's no problem. Camshaft looks good. Yeah. I said we built a new shop block, then we rebuilt the heads, that there everything is fine. Then we can put everything together and can have a lot of fun with this nice engine. I said thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we see you in the next video. Bye bye. And don't forget here, if where it is, if anybody else there who sometimes work on his Subaru need a cool timing belt tool to hold the camshafts, that is now available in my online shop. Check it out. I see you. Ciao.